Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a pricing table to your Wix website. Since Wix doesn't offer this feature directly, we are going to use an external widget. But don't worry, because it's completely free of charge and you don't need to submit any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put the link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so go ahead and click there. And once you are on Elfsight, you simply need to go up and hover over widgets. From here, go over the e-commerce section, and right down here you'll see the pricing table. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that is the closest to what you are looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click continue with this template at the bottom left corner. As you can see, there are two options here, which are content and appearance. In the content option, you can add columns for items in your price list. For example, you can see there are 3 columns here for 3 types of rooms. If you want to add more columns, you can click add column. Then insert the title, caption, features, price, button, and picture. Then click done once you've done. To change the order of the columns, you can click and drag any tab like this and move it to any position that you want. And you can click this 3 dots button to edit, duplicate, hide, or delete the column. If you have lots of items that you want to add, you can enable this multiple table mode to switch between different tables and items. And then you can click here if you want to enable widget title. For example, you can write room price list in the title and write enjoy your holiday in the caption. You can also change the language of this widget by clicking this arrow and choose the language that is best for you. After that, let's move on to the appearance option, where you can customize how you want your price list to look like by choosing the layout and column style. I'll stick with this grid layout and change my column style to this one. If you want to customize each element of this price list, you can explore these steps here and change them one by one. Once you are ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on the big green Publish button. And now you're on this page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan at the very left by clicking this gray select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on copy code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. To add the price list widget, click Add Elements. Go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the Elfsight code here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse, then choose Paste and click Update. Then you just need to adjust the size of your widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. You can adjust the size of the section by dragging this arrow up and down to fit the entire widget. Another thing that I want to add is how to change the fonts of this widget without going back to Elfsight. So here I have a personalized code that I will share with you in the video description below, so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Then click Ctrl C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Copy. From here, go back to Wix, right-click the widget and choose Edit Code. Click Enter on your keyboard to add a new line and paste the code by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste and click Update to see the changes. As you can see, the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. Now let's click this preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have a pricing table on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.